Good day, all. Well, welcome to the Heritage Chicken section. Well, there's a lot that has been happening. This has been the focused on. As you can see, the Heritage Chickens have actually been doing extremely well for me. And as you can see, they've actually grown. All these chickens that I show you here, they're all about 7 months. Let me see now what we're into October, so they are 10 months old. So all the chickens that we have here, this project I started it in January. This project on its own, just to give you quite a small little history about it, this chicken, when I started this project, I had some ups and downs with it, getting the chicks, which were extremely expensive. I took these chickens from chicks all the way to where they are right now, to all the way that they're now laying. And in this process that they've done, it has taken me quite some time. And not only that, when they started laying and the amount of eggs that I have got on average, with the number of chickens that I do have here, all in all, they're about 42. 6 of them are roosters. Those roosters are the ones that are making sure that we get fertile eggs, and in the number of eggs that we get close to about 300 eggs per month. Out of those 300 eggs per month, then we have they end up being about 300 that we send to hatchery. Then the other, the ones which are broken, we obviously do not consider them. Those become table eggs, and once they become table eggs, we do not count them as eggs. But we're sending about 300 eggs to hatchery, and out of those 300 eggs that we're sending every month, we are getting a hatchery of about 80, between, let's say, 85 to 90%, depending. But right now I think the average has been 87 for the chicks that we have been averaging every month when we do the total calculations. From there, we have been able to sell these the chicks a day old, all the way to 1 month, all the way to 2 weeks, and we have also been able to retrain some of those chicks. So once we have done that, that has also been a positive on our end, because it means that we are now in a position whereby some are being grown at the farm, some we are keeping here at home, and we are in a position whereby we are growing those numbers. So this has been a project which I can say has been doing extremely well for me. It has been in an extremely good way, because it has always provided for me revenue every month. So these are the chicks that came from these chicks that you can see. Yes, we have these ones. As you can see, we have got the dark Brahman, we have got the white leghorns, which are in here. These are the ones that we have kept, and then we have got a few other ones which are a bit of a mixed breed. But the Sussex, as you can see, there's the Sussex which is in here, and then we have got the Isisameni also, which is in here. We have got the Plymouth Rock, which is in here. We have got the dark Orpington, we have got the grey Orpington, which is in here. So these are the chicks that we have actually kept, which are here, excluding the ones at the farm. At the farm, I think they're about 160, which we have. Those are the chicks which we grew from these eggs. So this is the next generation that we are keeping, and that we want to grow to become our next stock that we want to keep. So, and then, as I say again, what do I want to do with this business? We are going to go into a position whereby we're going to say that we're going to concentrate on probably 2 or 3 only types. To me, the ones that really excite me right now is the white leghorn and the dark Brahman, and those ones I think will be the ones that I will be keeping. So it is a process. It's not been easy to get to where we are. It hasn't. It has taken time. It has been in a position whereby we have had to do quite a lot of things. But to me, this has been well paying. That much I don't want to lie. it's been well paying. The price I sell the chicks at, as much as everything that we do. Here are the chicks. Let me just open for you so that we can show you the chicks. The chicks that we have, these ones, I don't even want to lie to you, they are just waiting for collection. I do not even have a chick available at the present moment. Let me see if I can get, here we go. These chicks, all these chicks in here are ready for collection. These are now probably 4 to 5 days old, which you can see in here, but they are ready for collection, and that collection, they will be collected by around Tuesday. They will all be gone, plus the ones that are coming on that Tuesday, they will also be gone. So these are all sold. So it shows that extremely well for me. Why do I have? It's because when I started, yeah, you say, what about the market and what about the market? I just put on groups. I kept on putting on groups. You get a lot of people who ask you so many questions, who will say that as if they want to buy. Sometimes you get disappointed, but I kept going, and then I started getting 1, 2, 3 customers. Now I'm always got customers. Right now I actually have a back order. Once these ones go, the ones that are coming, they are already gone because they will be going together with this group. Plus, I got an order for about 150. I've got one person who wants 50, another person who wants 100. Then I've got someone who wants 25. So all these chicks, I do not have them at the present moment, but I'm hoping that I will be able to get them, and I will be able to supply those customers who want. My price has always been reasonable for a person who wants them as a mixed batch without me giving them specific breeds. We've been selling them at $2 per chick. For those people who then want specific breeds, then we start selling them per specific breeds, because that has been always my model. People should have all the breeds, not to have specifically what they want, but to be able to sell them as a mixed breed. But they have actually done very well. I am happy with this project, where it has gone, where it has got us, and where we are going with it. We have managed to be able to sustain ourselves, and it actually has been profitable to a point whereby we have been able to actually use the money for other things besides farming. So I believe that this project, I just need to focus on it a little bit more, do a few things more a bit correct, but at the present moment, I believe we are in the right direction for it. Well, to those who are new, please subscribe, like, follow, and comment so that we give you more content. Until next time, have a good day.